Hey guys, it's Miju and this is my channel GL Style Girls Lifestyle. So guys, today we have come to the Toshali fair. So this is the 15th edition of this fair and it is put up every year at Janta Maidan. Generally it is on the month of December to January, but this time it is a bit late because of the pandemic. So today we have come here and so we're gonna go inside and let's explore. They have a separate parking lot for the Toshali fair people who are visiting the Toshali fair, and this is for the four-wheelers only. And here this is a terrain land, and here there are many cars, so I think that there will be a lot of crowd in the fair. And they have also a direct entry through here, so let's go and see how's the crowd. Guys, there's a lot of crowd over the shops, but there are still some there's some free spaces, and people are sitting and chatting and having masti and fun. So shopping. So here every year there are stalls from different states, different people, different states. Make sure whenever you come here and do some shopping, you must bargain, or the prices are very high, and so make sure you bargain for a good deal. So guys, the place you are seeing behind me, so every year here many food stalls are put up, many different restaurants are put up, and this was one of my main attractions for the whole Toshali. So but this time it's a disappointment for me, at least. No food stalls have been put up, there's nothing over here, it's just blank for this COVID. And over here there was a big stage. Every year used to be a big stage, and on that there would be cultural programs. People used to come and sit and watch the programs over there. Handicrafts, home decor, clothes, jewelry, and especially things for women. So if you want to do shopping or you just want to do window shopping, then you can visit Toshali Mela till 4th February. and the timings are from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.